Namaste to all. Welcome to Janani Yoga and Naturopathy Medical College and Hospital, Harapanahalli, Vijayanagara District, Karnataka State. Myself, Dr. Rajesh Padekal, Principal and Chief Medical of the Institute. Janani Yoga and Naturopathy Medical College is run by Jaya Educational Trust, registered Harapanahalli, under the able guidance of the President of the Trust, Dr. Jayashree Patil, a famous anesthesiologist, and Secretary Dr. Mahesh S.N., and notable obstetrician and gynecologist. The Trust is also running Mahesh Public School starting from LKG to the 10th standard, and the trustees of the institute is running Mahesh Nursing Home, a 100-bedded multi-speciality hospital. Here at Janani Yoga and Naturopathy Medical College and Hospital, we offer BNYS course, the 5.5 years Naturopathy and Yogic Sciences Ayush course. It's a medical course. Initial 4.5 years of theory and practical training and 1 year of compulsory rotatory internship or house surgency. After completing BNYS, they get the medical registration from KAPU board, Karnataka Ayurveda, Unani, Naturopathy and Homeopathy Practitioners Board. Eligibility for BNYS courses, the student or the candidate should complete PUC or 10+2 with physics, chemistry, biology with minimum of 45% marks. NEET qualification is not required and they can admit directly through approaching the college office. And those who require the education loan that can be availed from the banks. After getting admission in our college, we will provide the certificates. They can approach the bank and get the education loan for BNYS course. Then about the scope of this course. After BNYS, they can start doing their own private practice in clinics, or they can join the hospitals as medical officers, or they can join the institution for teaching. They can join the wellness centers or research institutes. They can go for higher studies like MD, PhD. Here in our institute, we have got qualified, experienced teaching staff, well-equipped library, laboratories, classrooms, yoga hall, and attached 100-bedded yoga and naturopathy hospital for clinical training. The hospital has got both inpatient and outpatient department. We have got facilities for boys and girls hostel with hygienic natural food will be served in the hostel. We have got playground and extracurricular activities for the students. And overall, we provide the best possible academic training, extracurricular activities, sports, games in our institution. For more details, you can contact us in our email or through phone numbers. Thank you.